The RitFit M1 and M1 Pro Smith machine weight stack set with cable crossover system is a game changer for anyone looking to build a robust home gym without breaking the bank or sacrificing space. Priced at $1,759, this all-in-one fitness solution packs a Smith machine, a cable crossover system, an adjustable weight bench, and a 260 pounds Olympic bumper plate set including pairs of 10 pounds, 15 pounds, 25 pounds, 35 pounds, and 45 pounds, plus 4 free collars, into a compact footprint. With an impressive 4.4 out of 5-star rating from 226 global reviews, it's clear that this machine resonates with fitness enthusiasts. But what makes it stand out, and is it worth the investment? In this review, I'll explore its key features, share insights from customer feedback, and assess its overall value to help you decide if it's the right fit for your fitness goals. Key features: strength, versatility, and organization. The RitFit M1 Pro is engineered for durability and functionality, starting with its efficient Smith machine. Constructed from heavy-duty 2-inch by 2-inch steel uprights, it measures 64.5-inch L x 68.1 W x 85.3 H, offering ample workout space without overwhelming your room. The Smith machine integrates linear bearings and a bottom spring shock absorption system, ensuring smooth and safe lifts perfect for squats, bench presses, or shoulder work. Customers consistently praise its stability, with one noting, "The Smith machine is so smooth because of the ball bearings," making it a reliable choice for both beginners and seasoned lifters. Next up is the smooth cable crossover system, a highlight for its versatility. Built with a dual slide rail structure and stainless steel composite material, it uses roller bearings and high-strength steel wires for a quiet, durable operation. This system opens the door to a wide range of exercises. Think low crossovers, high crossovers, chest presses, bent-over rows, lat pushdowns, and overhead triceps extensions. One user raved, "So many different exercises that can be done," underscoring its appeal for those who crave variety in their workouts. The professional attachment system adds another layer of customization. With a rolling bearing design and spring protection, it boasts a hefty 1,500 pounds weight capacity and offers 11 selectable heights. This flexibility ensures a tailored workout experience, whether you're targeting specific muscle groups or accommodating different users. Plus, the included adjustable weight bench enhances this versatility, letting you switch between flat, incline, and decline positions effortlessly. Finally, the powerful storage system keeps your gym tidy. Featuring 5 top rear hooks, a central storage crossbeam, and 6 weight plate holders, it's designed to organize weights and accessories efficiently. For home gym owners, this clutter-free setup is a huge bonus, making the RitFit M1 Pro as practical as it is powerful. Customer feedback: what users love and don't. With a 4.4-star average, the RitFit M1 Pro earns high marks for its functionality, build quality, and ease of use. Customers describe it as sturdy and stable, with durable chrome pulleys and a smooth cable system that rivals commercial gym equipment. One reviewer, who's owned it for a year, called it affordable, fits nicely in small areas, and workouts are effective, while another praised its suitability for professionals with limited time and space. The ability to support multiple users simultaneously is a bonus for households with more than one fitness buff. Customer service also shines, with users highlighting RitFit's responsiveness. One buyer shared, "Any and all issues I've ever had were handled promptly and in a friendly manner," noting quick email replies and even replacement parts when needed. This support adds peace of mind to the purchase. However, assembly quality garners mixed reviews. While some found it easy to follow and assembled it solo in just over 2 hours, others struggled. A mechanical engineer reported a 4 to 5 hour assembly with power tools, citing unclear instructions, and another user noted 2 broken plastic guides upon delivery. At 5 feet 1 inch, one reviewer found the height perfect, but taller users, over 6 feet, might feel constrained. Despite these hiccups, the consensus is that the machine's performance outweighs the setup challenges. Assembly: plan for patience. Speaking of assembly, it's worth digging into this aspect since it's a common talking point. The RitFit M1 Pro arrives in 3 heavy boxes and with multiple components. It's not a quick job. One user completed it alone in 2 hours and 15 minutes, appreciating the color-coded tape, red and green, for left and right parts, though the instructions didn't clarify this. Another took 4 to 5 hours with help and power tools, suggesting that teamwork and the right equipment can make a difference. RitFit recommends 2 people for assembly, and given the weight and complexity, that's solid advice. If you're not DIY savvy, budgeting extra time or enlisting help could save frustration. Value for money: a smart investment. At $1,759, the RitFit M1 Pro isn't cheap, but it's a steal compared to buying separate machines for the same functionality. The inclusion of a 260-pound Olympic bumper plate set and an adjustable bench adds significant value, sparing you additional purchases. With a 1,500 pounds capacity, it's built to handle serious lifting, and its compact design, under 65-inch long, fits smaller spaces, a rarity for such a comprehensive system. For dedicated lifters or families, the ability to perform dozens of exercises in one unit justifies the cost. Add in RitFit's stellar customer support, and it's a package that delivers long-term bang for your buck. Final verdict. Who's it for? The RitFit M1 and M1 Pro Smith Machine Weight Stack Set is a top-tier choice for anyone serious about strength training at home. Its sturdy construction, versatile cable system, and smart storage make it ideal for small spaces and busy schedules. While assembly can test your patience, the payoff is a gym-quality workout experience that's hard to beat. It's perfect for intermediate to advanced lifters, though beginners will appreciate its safety features and ease of use once set up. If you're over 6 feet tall or dread complex setups, you might need to weigh those factors, but for most, this machine is a winner. Ready to level up your home gym? Check the video description box below for an exclusive discount and subscribe for more fitness tips to keep you motivated.